Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Guys, how are you all doing, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Nice to have you back on my channel. Yeah, you guys. So, guys, on this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade coconut oil that I use for my hair, my daughter's hair, that I also use to mix our cream, you guys. So, yeah, so let me show you guys how I did it. Yeah, I'm breaking the coconut. As you guys can see, I'm removing that coconut shell. Then, yeah, this is the water that came out from the coconut, you guys. On this video, I'm going to be using 5 coconut. Okay, I'm going to be using 5 coconuts, you guys. Yeah. So after breaking the coconut, I will peel off the brown skin, you guys. I'll peel off the brown skin before I will cut it into a smaller sizes. I will cut it into a smaller sizes to help my blender because I have to blend this coconut, you guys, to extract the milk on it, you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Here they are, you guys. I'm using 5 coconuts. You did not need to peel it, as in you did not need to perfectly peel the brown skin off. The most important thing is that the most part of that brown skin is off, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here, you guys. So I'm going to slice this into a smaller, I'm going to cut it into a smaller sizes, you guys, to help my blender because I'm going to be using my small blender to blend this coconut, you guys. So yeah, I cut it to a smaller sizes as you guys can see. I'm going to cut all the 5 coconut, the 5 of them into smaller sizes like this, you guys. This coconut oil take a long time to make it, you guys. It took a very long time. Yeah, after slicing it, I will have to blend it, cover it, put it into a bowl, then cover it up for the oil it needs to come up. You guys will see all the process that I use to make this coconut oil. At the end, it worth it, you guys. It's worth it. At least this one is 100% coconut oil, not the one we buy from the market that they mix with other things, right? So yeah, this is 100% coconut oil, though not virgin coconut oil, but it is 100% because this one that I'm going to do here, I'm going to use fire to steam it later to to bring out the oil in it. Okay, you guys know that there is other method that you use to make your virgin coconut oil, right? That one is you will just make it like that, leave it to settle down. It take longer process to make the virgin coconut oil than this one that I'm doing right here today, you guys. So as you guys can see, after blending the the coconut, I put it into this my sieve into this my strainer to save it, you guys. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing here. Sorry if I'm making a lot of mistake on this voiceover. Sometimes voiceover is not easy, okay? Sometimes you'll be looking for the right word to use. Yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing right here. As you guys can see, I'm going to strain it like this to remove the milk. Then yeah, you guys, I'll show you all the process that I use to make this coconut oil. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right here. I just put it into the bowl. I'm going to cover it up for, should I say, yes, I leave it for 24 hours, you guys. Yeah, so you can use your aluminum. As you guys can see, I just use my aluminum foil, or you can use, what's that one called? What that fin something? I don't know the name of the other one that look like plastic, right? Use it to cover it up. Then, but here I just use my aluminum for you guys. Okay, that is what I'm doing right here, my wonderful, amazing people. You guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, you guys. You guys know on this my YouTube channel there is nothing I don't post here. I post everything here on this channel. I post cooking video, lifestyle video, shopping videos. I post a lot on this channel, you guys. Please do me a favor by subscribing. So you guys, this was 24 hours later. Yeah, yeah, all, the oil have separate from the water. As you guys can see, the water is at the bottom, while this one here, this oil is up already. So yeah, I'm going to remove it bit by bit before we add it into my pot. As you guys can see, yeah, you guys, I'm going to remove all the oil. All this you are seeing right here now, it is oil and milk, okay? That is in it. So yeah, if maybe this coconut oil is virgin coconut oil, after removing all this oil from it, I will cover it up again for some hours for the fiber to separate from the oil, right? But this one is not virgin coconut oil. Okay, you guys will see the process of how I do it. There are different methods that you make your virgin coconut oil, and the one that is not virgin coconut oil. Anyway, at the end, they are all still natural, right? They are all still natural coconut oil. It's just that it is processed in different ways. Okay, I was just showing you guys, telling you guys that here is where the oil is. That's why you see me that I'm doing it with my hand like that to let show you guys that this is where the coconut oil is. Yeah, you guys. So yeah, after that, I will just put it into my pot, wait for it to steam. Then all the oil will come up, you guys. Okay, that's what I'm doing on this video, you guys. Thank you for always being here. God bless you for watching my videos, for liking. You guys are just the best. Guys, please keep on the good work. I appreciate you guys. All my subscribers, even the ones that are not my subscribers yet, I still thank you. I appreciate you for being on my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, do me a favor by subscribing. God bless you. Okay, you guys. So yeah, as you guys can see, I was just checking it with the spoon to see how the oil is doing, if it is coming out. Yeah, I was explaining to you guys on this video. It's just that because of the noise on the background of the video, that is why I mute it to use voiceover. Okay. So I will show you guys that look at the oil are coming up. You see, it does not take long time to steam it for the oil to come up, okay? But you can do this for just 10 minutes. Depends on how high your heat is. If you want to do it on low heat, on low heat is better, okay, so that it will not burn. It's better you do it on low heat, you know. So I was just showing you guys that the oil is coming up already. The oil is coming up. That's what I'm explaining to you guys on this video. Okay. Yep, you guys. As you guys can see, this was 10 minutes later. You can see the oil coming out, right? I was just really careful because I don't want it to burn the oil to burn. I still want it to have that natural look, that transparent look. As you guys can see, you can see mhm, how transparent it looks. What did I talk? Oh God. Yep, you guys. You see. So now I'm going to bring in my cheesecloth to press the rest of the oil in it out. As you guys can see, that is what I'm doing here. So I will show you guys the amount of oil that I got from 5 coconut. I will show you guys for you guys to see. Okay, remember that I used 5 coconut, you guys. On this video I use 5 coconut. So I'm going to show you guys the amount of oil that I extract from 5 coconut. Okay, the thing was so hot, though. I do not want it to cool before I press it out. If not, the oil may not come out. Okay, so I was just pressing it like that. It was hot, you guys. Okay, because I believe that when I allow it to cool, I will not be able to press out all the oil. Okay, so that's why I was doing it even when it was hot. So you guys, this is what I got from 5 coconut oil. It is more than 1 milligram, you guys. As you guys can see, it's almost 200. Okay, this is the amount of oil that I got from 5 coconut. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.